Greetings. The world is in turmoil. The West Asia crisis has left scars on every economic landscape. The global fuel prices are skyrocketing. Due to these circumstances, our Prime Minister Narendra Modi has put forward a 7-point appeal for every citizen of India so that they can put the nation first before their own comforts. I, Shahan Ali, Assembly Captain of Delhi Public School Ajmer, am here with you all to share my views and opinions regarding these 7 appeals with you. We've been asked to reduce the fuel consumption that we have, reduce the amount of petroleum and diesel we are using in our vehicles. That is reasonable considering the fact that most of them are completely imported from foreign countries. But this raises a few questions, or based on implementation. In India, most of the middle class are the ones that these appeals need to target as they are the ones using these vehicles. But there are also the upper echelon of the society which are using private jets, aeroplanes, yachts, which are using more fuel than dozens of middle class families combined. We have been asked to reduce the amount of private cars and vehicles that we are using and instead use more public transportation facilities and metros. That is efficient, but does the same apply to the upper class businessmen, to the politicians, to the leaders who have the dozens of cars following them around? The question that these appeals raise is not about how the citizens of India react, but how they are implemented equally. Because they are necessary sacrifices we need to make today, because by doing these necessary sacrifices, we are securing our own future from inflation and job loss due to the market collapses. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.